And I want to make it clear that this institution was not closed, will not be closed, and is still open. However, the state of Ebola in this city can only be communicated by the resident city commissioner, who is the chairperson task force. And I want to make it clear that the sample is out. But the person who will communicate the results will be the RCC on call. So I will ask those who are far that you be attentive to listen from the RCC, Mr. Larry Emi Lawrence Egole. For all these messages, allow me to take the honor to call the resident city commissioner who will address you and give the status of the results that was sent to Kampala, and finally is here with us in the city. Just pay attention. The press.
Pardon?
You are online and kindly address the members of press and the students of Uganda Christian Institute School of Nursing and Midwifery.
Thank you very much, Commissioner Mbale. And I want to respect the entire protocol of Uganda Christian Institute and the student fraternity. My name is Egole Lawrence. I was with you last evening, if you can remember very well, for my dear students around, and we had a very fruitful engagement. I promised you yesterday that after 24 hours we would get back to you to inform you about what we are running up and down about. You will recall that yesterday one of you was picked and taken to isolation at Lira Regional Referral Hospital following the scare that he could be showing some signs of Ebola. But that was subject to laboratory tests, to government laboratory tests, and immediately yesterday the samples were taken and then rushed to Mbale, where we could do the tests and then we would receive the results as it was said. I want to inform you that the results came back, and on a good note, which is good news to us all, is that the result tested negative. And I want to thank very much the session of UCI for being very vigilant and being very current in understanding the health of the children you admit in your school. Because you did not keep quiet when somebody showed signs that were suspicious. You alerted the responsible authority that responded, and then the staff was picked and then isolated with your effort as the Christian Institute, and I want to thank you very much because I have priority. I also want to thank you, the students, for cooperating with us. When we came up tonight, you showed maximum discipline and you cooperated, and I want to commend you so much for the high level of discipline you exhibited yesterday when I spoke with you.
My name is Mbale. I'm a member of Board of Directors of UCI and Director in Charge Corporate Affairs and International Relations of Uganda Christian Institute. I want to thank God that today we have got an official message from the Chairperson Task Force, that is Emi Lawrence Egole, the Resident City Commissioner of Lira City, declaring UCI free of Ebola. Just like yesterday, we were conscious enough with a team of management after realizing that one of our students who hailed from Buyende was not well, and we suspected, just like another precaution measures, we alerted the responsible authority for compliance. And by yesterday, he was isolated in the Lira Regional Referral Hospital, and the sample was taken. But today, this evening, the RCC, who is the Chairperson Task Force, has found out that the results came negative. So we want to thank the management. As UCI, we are law-abiding institution. We comply within the law, and we want to thank God that this has come to our favor. However, we had our competitors, many online business entities trying to blackmail us and assuming that the institution is closed. We want to appeal to our parents that the institution is on, all is well, students are reporting, and we have all the SOPs in place to ensure that we protect ourselves. Aware that this is an outbreak in the country, we cannot, it's not only about UCI, it's for all training institutions, all secondary schools and primary schools, public places, that we must have SOPs. So we want to thank God that we are okay and all is well. We are running normally, but with the SOPs in place. I thank you.
Isaac Ayo, Abedo Principal, Uganda Christian Institute, School of Nursing and Midwifery. Ana TMME yo ngech alowe kere report mokaro ho me tia winyere ni tin kwan na chel me UCI unu tikere tuo Ebola. Owenyu ame tami wengeni mano UCI achalo chukul amete aponyo tin kwan kopeyotkom tikere ngech kere procedure me miro tikere meneno kitpe hango adano tikere aworo ni tuchawa beach atin wa chele moduo kodi pashu kun yae buyende chawa ni utino buta du chukul oduo tanyuto beroka nyutogo me goro me miwa te beroka tame ka karo kene robero ni tuo Ebola kita joti yakobo ke chawa ni timu wa meti clinic tena na wobini kita maonu tikere fever abaru chie chinu angohere amano tawani mire kong opim pi malaria tunungu ni malaria pe kome kita me guideline kobo kere tini kai nuka nyuto bera mano mire tima lati the task force kere the nearby hospital donc tima mano to luongo a team from the hospital to reporting ginda kubipe principal ginaber oberme wani twalo team on the ground maybe team assessing e kautuneno kita me twere kere ka oro kela tini kucho anyoro manage the situation iboru do reporter ma woro timo nuo ni atini miro kwanyo ter da hatal pien poro mo gechi wang e ka tero kwa woro tieno atini otogamo ya isolation center e da hatal duong bayo tieno otokwanyori sample meter ma pima report uduogo woni winyo RCC okobo unuoni atini peke tuo Ebola donc wana chalo institute man po bero giname miwa do jon badwa one proti committed a chalo a health training institution tutamuni mano miero measures megengo tuo Ebola mir medda mere woranyim dok mir medda me kar kita yatikeroko. We have a task force team ameti school ame chawani awareness about Ebola is down to the ground. Mario otikere hand washing facilities at every corner. The hostel, in classes, ikanodu chamotino berie. We are keeping social distance, kope hugging, kope motoching, pedung tie UCI, piota monimiro gang, ginemati mereni. Ichawani we have acquired personal protective equipments, medical temperature guns, ame ngatroke na puta ya pashu chane popongeo conditionere otu checking gido gate. Ame kai ni bino yibina learning ginora nyen UCI. Dongana metupoyo wa tek onyual ame to tinogi kan meme di bedu chunyo tek ginora rach UCI kita mekaro kene winyo kene petie. Wana chalo chukulo doc running normally, but we are very observant, we are very vigilant. Amonu ngoni kag ginoroka kena tia nena part. We are taking action promptly. While we are not ready to disappoint you, one TMT meme yotinu ngechu pore, ngechu mebi konyu wa kaudu pashu. Alego ni oba medego ku, oba di chunyu, mi yotinu duwe chukul, wagi kwano no ngech, mewe ki ubino konyu Uganda. Akakaraan ka UCI apo oba go kwate.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.